Yesterday we studied about the insert node. Yes. Add beam.
Insert node.
Add beam point to
node.
point.
Mirror. Yeah.
Add beam point to point.
Mask.
And translation repeat.
Yes, sir.
And translation repeat, right? Okay. Today we are going to learn some more commands from this, right?
Yeah.
First of all, I translate this figure, right? I'm going to translate this figure in the Z direction. Number of steps is 5 and the distance between is also 5, right?
Yes.
Or no link step. Without link step we are going to draw. And click on OK. Right, like this. Right. Now, with the link steps, all the nodes related to one particular node is connected automatically.
Yes. No.
Yes or no? If I link these steps, so this node is connected to this and this node is connected to this, right? And this node is connected to this. The respective nodes are connected, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if I want to join manual nodes, yes. Now I'm going to connect these nodes. So first, can I able to select the concerned nodes? Can I able to? No. I am not able to select the concerned node. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because I have selected the beam cursor. We have different cursors to select the beam and the node. Right?
Yeah.
So for selecting the particular node, we have the node cursor.
Yes.
So activate the node cursor, right? And select the particular nodes like this. Yes? Or you can change this view. This is your views, right? This is your from the positive X direction. This is your front view, right? And this is your negative Z direction. This is your back view. And this is your negative X direction. This is your left view. And this is your right view. And this is top view. And this is your bottom view. And this is your isometric view. Or you can easily find the view is colored with the yellow color, is highlighted with yellow color. So you can easily find with the example of cube, we have 6 faces, right?
Yes.
So you can easily see which view is going to show you by clicking. Yes?
Yes.
So this is your front view, right? If I select this node and all the nodes behind this node is automatically selected. Like this. See? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you can select these nodes and so you can select the geometry and we have connected along. Connected along, right? Geometry connected along x-axis, y-axis or z-axis. So which axis we are going to select for connecting these nodes?
Z axis.
Yes, Z axis. Why?
It is towards Z axis. No, sir.
Yes. So this is because of I'm going to teach you this command. If you want some nodes to connect, right? By the
Yeah.
link step, you all the nodes, you don't have any option to select the particular nodes and join. The all the nodes present in your figure, all the nodes are connected with the respective node. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you want to select manually all the nodes, so we have this option, connecting beam along axis. So we have 25 nodes are created and click on OK. So see all the beam created.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second thing, we have another option by Control Z. We are reversing this nodes, right?
Yeah.
And again we are going to create this view and activate the node cursor and select the particular nodes, this and this, right? And
Okay.
see, so in the second option we have creating collinear beams.
Okay.
Yes or no? Collinear means which is drawn in the single line.
Okay.
As we all know, 2 points wherever it is always in a collinear lines, right?
Yeah.
2 point. I'm talking about the 2 points, not the 3. Right or wrong? 2
Yes.
point. So you can easily just click on the create collinear points. How much members are created? 15. So now this time is all the connected right thing, right? But if
Yes.
I select all the nodes, right, and select nodes, now see how 79 members are created. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So why last command only 25 members are created?
Yeah.
Now this time how many members are created?
79.
So you can easily find the difference between connecting beam along or connecting two
Collinear.
collinear points, right? To see how the points are connected. See,
Yes, sir.
now if we have two nodes but they are in the not along any direction, not in x direction, not in y direction, or not in z direction, so how can you connect? By the connect beam along connecting collinear points. Yes,
Yes, sir.
so these commands are clear to you, both the commands?
Yes, sir.
Anybody having any type of doubt with these commands?
No doubt.
Sure.
No doubt.
Okay, so we are going to move next command.
Hello.
Yes,
Sir, video is recorded, na?
Yes, yes. Recorded.
Because my
Recording is in
PC
progress.
is not slowly moving.
Okay, no problem.
Video is slowly moving.
Okay. Now the next command is to this is translate is command. Next command is stretch selected member. Okay, stretch selected member. So first you create a member, this member, right?
Yes.
So you can easily stretch this member, right?
Yeah.
If you are going to see, this command is not enabled right now. Yes,
Yes, sir.
you just select this member and go to the geometry and see the now my command is enabled.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then click here. It means this command enabled only when one member is selected.
Selected.
Yes. Now for the stretch, selected member name is 50. Yes.
Yes.
And select option, we have the 4 types of method to stretch any member. Yes.
Yes, sir.
First is with the help of coordinates.
Okay.
So how much you want to stretch this member? How much distance? Specify any type, any distance. Or which direction we are going to stretch this?
Again towards that direction.
Negative z direction or positive z direction only?
Positive.
Because this member is created in the x-axis, that's why. Or if you
Okay.
are going to stretch this member, so this is stretch is this direction and this direction only,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
So you can select this. So what was the distance going to enter for stretch this?
Take
I'm going
anything.
to enter 7
Okay.
because this distance is measured from the origin 0,0.
Yeah.
But this stretch only the 2 meter only. Okay, and
Yeah.
click on apply. So see, the member is stretched 2 meter. Stretched by 2 meter. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So this first method is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to delete this. No. Okay. We have delete this. Okay. Now again select this. The second method is through a
What is this?
distance. Through a distance.
Yeah.
What is the purpose to specify the start node or end node?
So, like, it will select intermediate on its own,
Intermediate.
like the between distance.
No, no. This beam itself have a start node and the end node.
Yeah.
So from which node you are going to increase the distance?
Okay, okay. And
From
nodes.
the end node.
And not.
End node. So select your end node, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And how much distance you want to stretch?
10 meters.
10 meter. You can specify the 10, right?
Yeah.
Or apply. So see, the 10 meter member is created,
Yeah.
but you can see this member is not splitted on the node, particular given
Yeah.
node. This bypass this node.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So if you directly stretch, the node is bypass, which is not
Yeah.
connected to that particular node.
No. Yeah.
Here, this beam is intersect that node, but not connected.
Yeah.
You know the difference between connected or intersect?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Everyone?
No, sir.
No. Okay. I am going to tell you. If any node, just activate the this cursor, right? So if you can draw a line like this, right? And this. These are the two beams. Yes.
Yeah.
These two beams are intersected, but
Yes.
not connected. If these beams are connected, we have a node on the intersection point.
Yeah.
This is the difference between intersect or
Connect.
connected. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everybody satisfied with my answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the second method is third method for particular node. This to an existing node. What?
To an
To an
existing.
to an existing node. Matlab you want to stretch your particular present member up to the particular node. If you want to stretch this beam member up to this node, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
But you know the node number of this node to specify here node number. Yes or no?
Yes.
You know the node number of this node.
No,
Like we
sir.
have to select like shift and then.
Yes, you can able to find, but currently I don't know.
Okay.
If you but we have to use another command, right? Shift plus N to know the node number.
Yeah.
But here we have a pick node options also.
Okay.
You can activate the pick node and directly select on click on that node.
Okay.
The node number is comes automatically.
Yeah.
What is the node number?
25.
25.
25, right?
Yes.
And click apply here. This is not this is test.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the third option is clear.
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. The last one is to an existing
Number.
member. By existing member, you have to select the existing member also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So you can just find the beam number, or you can select this pick node option.
Okay.
Pick beam. Select this and pick and select this member or this member, because both are intersecting on the same node. That's why select this member, click on apply. So see, though no stretchable member is found, right?
Yes, sir.
To select this member and pick node and select here and apply. So see, the member is stretched.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Like
all
that.
the sorry,
Extend command.
extend command. Sorry Dinesh, क्या Tell me again.
एक्सटेंड कमांड के जैसा है ना सर?
Yes, yes. ये extend के जैसा है. इस in this command you have stretch as well as the extend command. If you are going to compare with AutoCAD commands, this is useful as the extend or a stretch. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now all the four commands, all the four options is understood.
Yes, sir.
Or any having doubt, you can ask me. Yes or no? If you have any doubt, no.
A
No,
bit
sir.
collinear.
What color is Sabha?
Can you please explain collinear?
In the geometry, this connecting along the collinear beams.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm creating a node
Okay.
from here to here, right? And
Yeah.
delete this beam.
Okay.
Yes. And you have the nodes only.
Yeah.
So these are the nodes we have.
Yeah.
If you select these nodes like this,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So which option you are going to choose to create a beam between these 2 points? Tell me.
The one was along.
Can you choose this along x-axis, y-axis or z-axis?
None.
No,
No,
because these dots, these nodes is not along any x-axis, y-axis or z-axis, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So you have option to create collinear beams. See,
Okay.
like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Now we have here these 2 intersecting beam members.
Yeah.
The next command is intersect the selected members.
Yeah.
Means if we have some intersecting members in our drawing,
Okay.
now we clearly know here we have the 2 members, right?
Yes, sir.
But I want to know about all the members intersecting in my drawing, all the members.
Yeah.
So in this command we have highlight option.
Okay.
So if you are going to highlight, clicking on the highlight and
Yeah.
click on OK, all the intersecting members are highlighted in the figure.
Okay.
See,
Yes, sir.
this is highlighted with the red color.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
all the intersecting members are highlighted.
Yeah.
So now again you go to the geometry and choose intersecting along, and now choose intersect command. So these are intersected, 4 new members are created.
Okay.
Click on OK. So here see, here divided into 4 equal 4 parts.
Yeah.
Here we created an extra node on the intersecting position,
Yeah.
and now you can remember this node is bypass this node, right?
Yeah.
And now these members are intersected, created new members here, all the
Yeah.
beams.
Yeah.
So you can understand
Yes, sir.
this command intersect intersect, highlight, or
Intersect.
selected members, right?
Yeah.
In the intersect selected members, we have two options: highlight and the
Intersect.
intersect, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next command is merge command.
Okay.
What is?
Merge.
What do you mean by merge?
Two
Yes.
two two components to merge. Two members.
Drawing.
Make it one.
Yes. More than two members make it to one, right?
One.
Yes.
Yeah.
But these are connected to each other. You cannot merge one member here or one member here.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes. Sir.
You select a series of beams like this.
Yeah.
So I have selected the 4 members. Yes.
Okay.
And click on the geometry and click on merge selected members
Okay.
and click on OK. So now you can see easily we have how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
5 members, right?
Yeah.
51, 50, 51, 54, 55 and 59.
Yeah.
So which property you want to for the created member? Which beam number you want to keep?
50.
50. So you can select here as 50. Or if you want to keep 51, you can select here as 54, 51, 54, 55 and 59, right?
Yes.
If I applied the property to keep, elastic to keep, and poison to keep, and density to keep, you can select here. Because I don't applied any type of property here, that's why these options are blank.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to keep only the beam number.
Yeah. Okay.
So you can click on the merge button and click on OK. So these are merged. Yes or no?
Yes.
And will the nodes remain the same?
Yes, nodes are remain the same. Only the nodes containing this members,
Okay.
these are disappeared,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next
No, sir.
command is yes.
Earlier you said it will bypass. In
Yes,
extend command, yeah, it will bypass.
but
So in this,
node containing these members. This node is exist here.
okay,
Yes or no?
yes, sir.
But node in this member is only disappear, not all the nodes.
Okay,
In this case also, the member is bypassed from this nodes. Here
yeah,
you can see we have the nodes. See,
yeah,
because I merge this beam only, but these
yeah,
are the present here. That's why node is present.
yes,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Now the next option is how to merge selected nodes. Okay.
okay,
Now you have to select two nodes. First node is this and second node is this, right?
yeah,
So go to the geometry and select the merge node option. So we have selected the two nodes, node number 41 and node number 43.
yeah.
Which node you are going to keep?
43.
43. Okay. So you know which node number is 43, this one or this one?
beneath one.
Yes, this one, right? So this node is come to on this point. Click on
Yeah.
OK. See, sorry, this node is 41 and
Okay.
upper one is 43.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. You just
Yeah, I got it, sir.
select here and go to the merge node, and now click on 41. Okay, so see, this node come to this point. Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yes,
So
sir.
which node you are going to keep, the position is not change of that node.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we can going to take another example, this node and this node. Yes.
Yeah.
Go to the geometry and select the merge node. We have 3 node and the 9 node. Which node
Okay.
you are going to keep?
3.
Okay, select on 3. So this node is merged on that node.
Yeah.
C. So this node is going to connect here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Understand this point?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. So
Hello.
yes, dear.
Explain again, sir. Explain again, sir.
Okay. So this, which command is this? Tell me.
Mer- Merge.
Selected node. Yes.
Yes, yes,
What are you going to expect to merge the 2 nodes? Yes or no?
yes.
The nodes are on different positions.
Yeah, yeah.
So which node are going to merge? This one or this one, or this or this? Tell me. Yes, Dinesh, tell me.
Hello.
Yes, tell. Which node I select? This one or this or any other node?
Node 3.
Node 3. This is node 3. And this is node 9.
Yeah.
And go to the geometry and select the merge node, right? And this is, we have 3 nodes, 2 nodes. Node number 3 and node number 9. Which node number you are going to keep?
3.
So select the 3 node number and click on OK. So this node number 9 is connected to the 3.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, dear. So this is the today's